Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from a SIM card to your device. Now, to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it, as you can see right over here. From here, you want to tap on the three bars right in the corner, navigate to Settings, and then select Import from the bottom, SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default, they will all be selected, assuming they are not already on your phone. If they are deselected and grayed out so you don't create duplicates. Now from here, you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and then select Import. It gives you an option to keep or remove the contacts from your SIM card. That is completely up to you. I want to keep mine, so that's what I'm going to select. There we go. And as you can see, it gives you the amount of contacts that were imported, and when you go back to your list, you should be able to see them right here. And that is how you import them. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.